Hi, this is Amit Prabhari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Help lot of corporates to manage the forex risk. Generally, they say that equity markets tend to move only higher and higher, and even if it is falling, it is going to bounce back quickly. And in recent time, Dow Jones, which was trading close to 29,568, came sharply towards 18,213. But this time the recovery was fast and furious. In 10 months, it again broke those level of March 2020. But that is not always the case. Let me give you a real life example of a country called Japan. Japan Nikkei made a high in 1989. From 1989 to 2009, it was completely in a downtrend. If you see the chart, it almost lost 80% of its value. Now let us understand why. All the answers are given in macroeconomics. Japan was the country at that point of time was suffering from deflation. Deflation is a root cause where people start postponing their purchases. As a result, demand is going to fall down and corporate earning is going to come down. Second was demographic change. Most of the people in Japan were getting older at that point of time. And the third reason was currency appreciation, mainly in 1990s, especially after Plaza Accord of 1985. Japan was a country which was more dependent on exports rather than domestic demand. Because of all of this reason, it was in a downtrend. Now things started changing for Japan Nikkei after 2012 when Abe became the Prime Minister of Japan. He introduced a concept called Abenomics, where they did aggressive reduction of interest rate, basically means loosening of monetary policy. At the same time, they did fiscal stimulus. So basically, because of macroeconomic changing parameters, Japan economy again started moving higher. So we can conclude that macroeconomic parameters like growth, inflation, monetary policy and fiscal policy of the country can help us predict bigger cycles. To know in depth how macroeconomic factors or economic cycles help us to predict the market well in advance, to know more in details, join CR Forex certificate course on Treasury management. Please fill the Google form given in the bio.